most twisted way your parents showed they loved you? My mother kept a spreadsheet of every penny spent on me since birth, which I had to repay with acts of love starting at age 10. My mom was this former accountant who gave up her career to raise us and never let us forget it. She grew up dirt poor after her parents died drowning in debt, and she was obsessed with never letting that happen to her family. Dad just went along with whatever she said and would always tell me, "Your mother loves differently," whenever I tried to complain to him about it. On my 10th birthday, Mom presented me with this massive printed spreadsheet. She'd bound it like a photo album with tabs for each year of my life. Every single expense was there, from the $847 hospital bill for my birth to the $73,000 she'd spent on food so far. She even calculated interest at 3.5% compounded monthly. I sat there staring at it while she explained her new system. Every hug would credit me $5 against my debt, saying "I love you" was worth 10. Good grades range from 50 to 100 depending on the subject. Chores would be paid at market rate, which she'd research weekly. She had this whole pricing structure worked out, and she pulled out her phone to show me the app she'd made to track everything. At first I thought it was just one of her weird lessons, but then she actually started enforcing it. After every hug, she'd update the spreadsheet on her phone. Sundays became Love Audit Day, where we'd sit around the dining table reviewing the week's transactions. My younger brother got competitive about it and started doing extra chores to out-earn me. My older sister Lauren just looked exhausted whenever Mom brought it up, and I started to understand why she'd fled the day she turned 18, leaving her $412,000 debt unpaid. By 13, I was budgeting my affection like some kind of emotional accountant. I'd save up my "I love yous"